Okay, so you can draw. I can show this more difficulties. This kind of drawing also can I show? I can show you, but I'm not showing because I feel that maybe it's tough for you first times. Okay, so that's why I want to say okay fine. Next drawing I go to the birds. Okay, so in class you can learn this type of drawing. Okay, if you need to know how to draw more tough drawing, so I can show in class this type of drawing. Okay beta, so we're going to the next steps is a birds. Okay,
Bird.
birds.
Yes.
So birds also I'm using the same things. Okay, so same thing means that I want to use this circle, oval, curve.
Yes, sir. I think that we can use Sharpie too.
Yeah, so let's start. So you tell me beta, what kind of uh, what kind of birds you like to draw, like a peacock, pigeons, parrot, any kind of bird, macaw, parrot. So I'll show you that same birds. Okay,
I
the
will draw a parrot, sir. Parrot.
parrot.
Yes, a parrot. Green parrot.
Okay, parrot. So I show you how to draw easy way to parrot. Okay, isn't it? I show you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
parrot bird. Okay, I show you bird parrot. Bird parrot. So basically, when you draw a parrot, okay, then you need first draw is a circle. So I'm making circle over here. Okay, same thing. First this shape circle. Okay, you also draw with me though, then you can finish it off just in 2 minutes. Okay, first draw circle. Okay, done that much.
Yes, sir. I have done the circle, but I think that is looking like a everything. Give me 2 minutes or 1 minute.
Yeah, sure, beta. First make this. I can show you little difficult. The parrot. What I show the what a difference between the parrot, macaw, and badri. These different birds. So first the shape is circle. If your circle is done, okay.
Now my circle is done. Yes.
Okay. After circle, okay. After circle, when done your circle, so circle is like this. No, it's a pure circle. So that's why I show the reference. So it is help to you. So now after that, you just go ahead to here. Here you can just draw straight line one. Okay. After the circle, you just draw the straight line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after straight line, you just making from here. Okay. Here, so little down from here. Okay. Not middle. Little down. You just take like this. 1, 2, like this. See curve. This kind of curve. Okay. Understood? It's so easy.
Yes, I have done this.
Okay, beta. So now after that from here you just add that wick you add like this. Okay. Just go ahead to draw your beak like this. Okay, just do it full screen. Okay.
Yes.
Like this. Nothing. turn on. No, turn on. Just a second. Stop recording.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now after that, I just add over here like this. Okay, like this. Okay,
Yes.
fine. And now the lower beak also can draw like this, one, and two. Just join this with the circle. Understood that better? Yeah, understood. Dear Pranay, your good name is Pranay, isn't it?
Can you repeat, sir?
Your good name is Pranay.
No, my full name is Brian Mohanty.
Prayan, right?
Prayan.
Yes, Prayan. Okay. So understood, Prayan. This is that much.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay. So now after that, you go ahead to the curve line. See, curve line like this. You know, the almost all drawing I'm use the curve line for the neck, right? Curve line, right?
Yes, sir.
So bird also the same thing, curve line. Okay. So we are going to the curve line like this. Okay, beta, curve line. And now after that, here also I can creating curve line like this. Okay, one curve line here, one curve line here. Okay,
Okay.
fine. So you take time, आराम से करो. Don't worry, don't hurry up. If you face anywhere difficulties, you tell me. I can show easy way. I hope that is for you. It is easy. Is this way is easy way to draw, or it is difficult, beta?
So that is this is also easy.
Okay.
So I have done this much time.
Okay, fine. So now you can go ahead here in the circle, exactly middle. You take one more circle like this. Okay. And inside you can create another more circle like this. Okay, it's so easy. You can do this, isn't it?
Yes, sir. This is so easy.
So easy, right? So you can make. I show you the Macau. It's the Macau. So I just want to show you after that. From the Macau, if you want to draw, you just go here, one curve line like this. Okay, here one curve line like this for Macau. Okay, beta, like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. So now after that, for Macau, I just do one thing. Very simple. It is like this. Like this. See, it is not big tough. Like 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this.
For the highlight that could look nice. So can I do it some light? Can I do light?
Yes, beta, I can do light. Not issue. Not an issue. Okay, you can do the light also, no problem. And for Macau, this basically the portrait. The beak is a black color, so I can just make it little shadings like this. Okay. आराम से. If you're good in drawing, then color is not that tough. Okay. Aram se I make some curve line like this. Okay. And after that, if you wish to erase the circle, so you can erase. Okay, that is looks good. That the circle I'm using for, it is for technical. Okay, it is I use this technique circle. That's why it's coming nice, right? So after the drawing, you can erase the circle. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I have done this step by step also from checking from video.
Okay.
So I have done many times that I have erased the drawing, so that would not look like we have used the shade. That would look like the children or he or she is doing in his own.
Yes. Very. So we are using circle, whatever shape I'm using for drawing. After that, we can erase it, and it looks good. Great, right? So yeah. So I just add something, little bit of details. If you wish to, you can go details like this. Okay. So any birds you can draw like that. So I just make it little details. So using the help of circle, curve, and oval, you can draw nice drawing. Like this. Okay, this is very simple. If you wish to color it, you can color it also very nicely. Okay. If you have color, beta. So it's also possible. When I make it, I wish to color. I just using this, erasing this pencil line. So because this is disturbing lots to color mix each other. So I just want to show that 2 minutes using, and I show how to color it. Okay, just using 2 minutes. Okay. So first I fill the base color. Okay, the base color of Macao. Okay, this is yellow I use for base color. I use
like the base of the parrot.
base of the parrot. It is actually Macao, but the base is a parrot. Okay, this family, parrot families. Okay, I using over here sky blue. It is actually this Macao. I use here sky blue, base color sky blue. Okay, like this base color. Always first you use the base color, first tone. Okay, fine. I just make one color because this also important. Sometimes the color. So when you make this base color is done, the next base color is a gray for this. The wick. I make the bay. Okay, I just take 2 minutes to finish. Show that how to fast you can color. That much done. Now I put a second tone. Second tone I'm using the Prussian.
Can you give me one time YouTube because my younger brother is coming and he will just say something. Give me 1 minute.
Yeah. Sure. 6, F7. I just want to show you that. Okay, how you are easily can draw any kind of the color. Okay, this is the main motto to shape. So I next 2 minutes I finish. So the second tone I using over here, I using the black color for the wig. So Brian, you basically like drawing color or mostly use the sketching parts?
Most like I just like and then I like don't remember and I forget. So I was doing it uh
Yes.
so like listening that when we draw a light drawing, so first we have to draw light because then we can see our mistakes,
Okay.
and we can break it and add to the line. So that's why I have listened. So I was doing light and then after that I started doing dark.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So usually you when you draw something, so that time you follow any Google pictures or any YouTube. What you follow actually? It's my little
Yes,
query.
yes, yes. I will tell you. Sir. Like um, there, my dad also they have given me. I was like, I have downloaded Princess app, so I was watching like new Marvel photos, like normal photos. I was drawing it, and
Okay.
now I'm seeing from, I'm
Okay.
now watching from Google.
Okay, Google can help you a lot to this, right? Okay, yeah. Basically, Google honestly help a lot to draw, different way. Anyway, so I just finished this drawing. You can see over here the second tone, third tone, how to make it. The third tone is the more dark and details. Okay, so like this. Fine. So I just show you the last drawing for the your badge group. That is how to create a cartoons, sketchy, any kind of cartoon this easy way. Okay. So let's. So is this a difficult or easy? What do you feel, beta?
That is easy. I can show you.
Yes.
When
Please.
I am not alert, but I will show you.
F7. Uh, just a second, beta. Yeah. Show your. Oh, that is fine. Yeah, so nose, you just make a little dark line only. Before, if you finish the color and then can send later on, okay, beta? Fine. I show you the how to draw now that cartoon. Okay, any cartoon down, just last 2 minutes. I take in the 2 to 3 minutes and show you, and then I go to the the next batches. Okay, so let's start. Fine.